Welcome to the Production Planning app for SAP Business One by Integrated Applications. This app will allow you to view all your planned and released SAP Business One production orders plotted over time against your resources and allow you to plan and replan your production to create an achievable plan. Let's take a look. On the production order line, there are two right-pointing green chevrons that indicate that the production order is forward planned. There are other indicators on the operations that indicate if the operation is running, paused, stopped, not started, or complete. Complete items can also be automatically removed from the display but are still accessible. Where a shop floor data collection app is used, the feedback to these indicators on the board is real-time. Clicking on the production order will filter the bottom of the board to be just the resources required for that production order. Individual operations can obviously be moved, but by dragging, the production order will move all operations. You can also move the sales order bar, which will move all associated production orders and operations, considerably speeding up the scheduling process. You can drag the end of the bar for an operation to extend its duration, which will have the effect of spreading the work over a greater time, thereby reducing load. The resource load graph in the bottom of the screen adjusts in real time. Going back to the Group By filter, we also have an option on here to filter by task or operation status. This is useful for reviewing all the arrears on the board in one go and taking action to bring them all forward into a current time frame. You will notice that one operation has a red shaded hatched area prior to the operation, which is a waiting time. In this case, 1 working day that spans the weekend before it can start. It is also possible to have a similar time at the end of the operation prior to the next operation being able to start. Let's return the view to a previous grouped view. If we change this to Tasks and click on the Electrical department, you will see that the top of the board filters to all orders and operations for that department. This makes the board a lot more usable in a busy production environment. Movements are then written back to the production order and production operations in SAP. This is just a summary of the basic features, but to learn more, please contact Integrated Applications or visit www.integratedapplications.co.uk.